Hi everybody, it's Mr. McGraw. Today we are going to review how to read different kinds of notes. First we have the quarter note, then we have eighth notes, and we also have 16th notes. Let's begin. So you might remember we talked about what the different kinds of notes looked like. The quarter note looks like a dot, it's colored in, and it has a stem. The stem can go up or the stem can go down. In this case, the stem is going up. The eighth note looks like a quarter note. It has a dot and it has a stem, but whenever you have more than one eighth note, these stems grab onto each other, forming a beam. So you'll notice that these two eighth notes are connected by a single beam, and that's what makes them eighth notes. We also have 16th notes. 16th notes look just like quarter notes and eighth notes. They have a dot that's colored in, and they have stems, but instead of one beam connecting them, the 16th note will have two beams when there are more than one 16th note next to each other. 1, 2. So you can always tell the 16th notes from the quarter notes, or from the eighth notes, based on how many beams. If there's only one beam, those are eighth notes. If there are two beams, those are 16th notes. And if there's no beam at all, just a stem, that's a quarter note. Okay, so we talked about before, one way to learn the notes is by using fruit. So whenever we have a quarter note lasts for one beat. So we're going to use a word that has one syllable, and last time we used the word grape. So please repeat after me, or say it with me. Grape, 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 grape. Nice job. Now apple is the word that we use to represent the eighth notes. The eighth notes are twice as fast as the quarter note. For every beat, we need to have two eighth notes. Each one is only half of a beat, so it takes two of them together to make one beat. So we use the word apple because it has two syllables. Say it with me. Here's our beat. Here we go. Apple, 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 apple. Nice job. Now we also have the 16th notes. 16th notes are twice as fast as eighth notes. 16th notes are pretty quick. It takes 4 of them for every beat. So we're going to use a word with 4 syllables, which is watermelon. So here's our beat. Say it with me now. Watermelon, 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 watermelon. Great. So that's a review from last time. Now we are going to practice some different rhythms using our notes in different combinations. So let's look at number 1. We have a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, and another quarter note. So using our fruit, it would sound like this. Grape, grape, apple, grape. Your turn, say it with me. Ready, go. Grape, grape, apple, grape. Again, grape, grape, apple, grape. Great. So hopefully you notice that the apple, the 2 eighth notes went twice as fast as the quarter notes. Let's look at number 2. Number 2, we have 1, 2, 3 pairs of eighth notes with a quarter note at the end. So think, what fruits are we going to use? Remember, for the eighth notes, we're going to use apple, 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 and then the quarter note is grape. So let's say it in the beat. Here we go. Here's our beat. 1, 2, 3, go. Apple, 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 grape. Say it with me now. Ready, go. Apple, 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 grape. Again. Apple, 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 grape. Nice job, nice job. Okay, let's look down at number 3. Number 3 starts out with two quarter notes, which are going to be grape, grape. Then notice we have two beams here, so this is going to be a set of 4/16 notes, which is watermelon. And then we have apple, 2 eighth notes at the end. Again, the eighth notes have only one beam, and the 16th notes have two beams. All right, let's try number 3. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Join me now. We'll do it 4 times in a row. Set, go. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Grape, grape, watermelon, apple. Very good. So now if you were playing that rhythm on drums, for example, it would sound like something like all right, let's look at number 4. Number 4, we have a set of 4/16 notes, then 1 quarter note, another set of 4/16 notes, and 2 eighth notes. So number 4 is going to sound like this. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Please join me. We'll go 4 times around. Ready, go. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Watermelon, grape, watermelon, apple. Nice work. Number 5. Let's see if you can figure this one out on your own. First, what fruit do we use for this kind of a note? What fruit do we use for this kind of a note? Or this pair of notes? Then it ends with 2 of the same thing. What fruit do we use when we have a group of 4/16 notes? See if you can join me. We'll go 4 times around. Here it comes. Ready, go. Grape, apple, watermelon, watermelon, grape, apple, watermelon, watermelon, grape, apple, watermelon, watermelon, grape, apple, watermelon, watermelon. Nice work. Look at number 6. We have 2 eighth notes, then we have a group of 4/16 notes, and then a quarter note and another quarter note. Let's try this one. See if you can figure this one out on your own. Here's number 6. Ready, go. Apple, watermelon, grape, grape. Apple, watermelon, grape, grape. Apple, watermelon, grape, grape. Apple, watermelon, grape, grape. Good job. 2 more. Number 7 starts out with 4/16 notes and then a pair of eighth notes. Then another pair of eighth notes and it ends with the 4/16 notes. This one is called a palindrome because it starts out the same way it ends, backwards. All right, let's try this one. Number 7. Ready, go. Watermelon, apple, apple, watermelon, watermelon, apple, apple, watermelon, watermelon, apple, apple, watermelon, watermelon, apple, apple, watermelon. All right, are you getting them? I hope so. And finally, we have number 8. Number 8 starts with a pair of eighth notes. Then we have 3 sets of 4/16 notes. So we're going to start with an apple, and we're going to end with 3 watermelons. Let's give it a shot. Here we go. 1, 2, 4 times. Ready, set, go. Apple, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Apple, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Apple, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Apple, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. All right, nice job.